And this is Branch Fest in Maine. Look where I am today. Guess what? I'm at Branch Fest in Maine. And that is one teepee behind me. Yeah. This place is fun. I already heard some good bands last night, but it was too dark to film. It's pretty good lighting because it's like noon out right now. And it's probably the warmest part of the day that we're gonna get. But guess what? I'm filming this very cool teepee for you before I go party it up at the stage. No, I'm filming. No, I'm filming for my YouTube channel. I got over 72,000 subscribers on there. Yeah. I actually have more views and more subscribers than Naomi Campbell, man. That's what's up. I'm filming for it. I edit my stuff. That's why people actually watch my videos. Unlike most you dorks out there, think you're gonna get famous off a one-clip wonder because you're so hot.
Thank you. I thought I was just getting warm.
You want to be on my video?
No.
Want to be on my rad video?
Sure.
That's what's up, man.
Hi, everybody.
What's your name?
Have fun. Be safe.
What's your
My
name?
name's Richard.
Richard, what are you doing here right now? Did you put this rad teepee together?
I helped. I think it takes teamwork.
Huh? I saw you do it all by yourself earlier.
Oh, thank you. That sounds funny.
You were the only person I saw.
Oh, yeah, I was working. Well, you know.
Nah, just kidding. I saw everybody doing it. How many people was that? Like 15 people?
It takes like 5 or 6, and you get everybody together.
Do you know that I'm a quarter Crow Indian, and we were nomadic Indians?
Cool.
Natives, indigenous. You're not supposed to call us Indians, but.
Are those antique? Well, I'll do whatever you want. Are those antique beads in your beadwork?
This here?
No, on the headband piece.
Here. Oh, I made that.
You did?
It's a special crown.
They're beautiful.
Thank you.
I like beadwork.
Right on. You're nice. Thanks for the compliment.
You're welcome. Have a beautiful day.
Hey, thanks for making a rad teepee.
Yeah, I hope you have fun at the festival and make
lots
of nice videos.
I will. I'm gonna make one rad video.
Cool.
Yeah. I hope you watch it.
I will.
Search Gabrielle Sunheart Crow Shield.
Okay.
Or you can go to my website, GabrielleTravels.com.
All right.
Is that a bindi? Can I get a close-up of that bindi?
What? Oh, hi. I found it in my car. It said add bling to any project.
Yeah, rad blinger. I like it.
Thank you.
All right. Maybe I'll see you later by the stage, and you could be dancing or something.
Oh, that's gonna happen.
Oh, there's a little baby teepee over there. Mommy teepee, baby teepee. That's what's up. I had to film the teepees for my rad video. Want to be on my rad YouTube video or no? When you're playing? Okay, so don't show you now?
Not right.
Okay. You're what? Homie, say what? Too high for filming? And you're a rock and roller, dude. Do you know that that's actually normal? To film while high? How do you think Kurt Cobain came up with all those amazing? Hi, see you there. Hey, what's your band called?
The Cosmic Factory.
Cosmic Factory? I'll have to check you guys out. Yeah. Tomorrow at what time?
1 o'clock.
Huh?
Stage, 1 o'clock.
Oh, good. I'll try not to party too much tonight, so I get there in time. If not, I apologize ahead of time. Don't hate me for my partying ways. Love me or leave it. Like it or leave it. Either way, it's been fun. So far, so good. Huh? Do not waste Snapple. How dare you? You know how much this costs. And thank God it's in a plastic container because you're not allowed to take glass here. They searched the cars for glass. Thank God not for weed. Because everybody here would be bummed out right now. So bummed out. Okay, I'm logging off for now. Except for I wanted to redo the cartwheel scene. What's up, Tokyo? Sending you some aloha from Maine too. May 31st, 2019. Ranch Festival, Maine. Bam! Bam! It doesn't count till you add a kick in the end. It doesn't count. So you do it opposite and then add it. There, that's good. Okay, I gotta change my outfit before I keep filming. This is ridiculous. Whatever, they're going. Wow. Ranch Fest 2019. Insane. In Maine. Woo! Stop filming.
I already got a rat outfit. Haha.
I stopped filming, but guess what? I stopped filming too soon because look at this girl. Hey, guess whose closet she robbed for this look?
You gave it to me.
You stole it.
Ow.
You said you were gonna take it anyways. That's okay, because what am I wearing right now? On my feet, Pawnee?
My shoes.
Your boots. We share. And guess what? The universe is so good to us, because guess what? Pawnee was crying last night, and I was too, because her little shoes got wet and muddy. So today we were screwed. But they had a free box over there.
No, it's
Take
not a free
one, give one box.
I still owe them one.
And look what she got.
Where's my sweater?